Hello everyone! In today's assembly, we're going to be talking about Safer Internet Day. Safer Internet Day is held every February all around the world. It's a special day when we think about using the internet and technology. Hands up if you have used a laptop. Hands up if you have used a tablet like an iPad. Hands up if you have ever been on mom's or dad's or someone else's phone. Hands up if you have ever used a games console like a Switch, an Xbox, or a PlayStation. Hands up if you have ever asked a smart speaker a question like Alexa or Siri. All of these devices and more can connect to the internet. That means we can do fantastic things like listen to music, play games, watch videos, or chat with friends and family. Safer Internet Day is a chance to celebrate all the amazing things technology can help us with, but also to think about any worries we might have going online. It's not just schools who join in with the day. Lots of other people get involved too, including the government, lots of charities, sports clubs, the police, and even the companies who make your favorite apps and games. By watching this assembly, you're joining in with thousands of others in marking the day. We want this year's Safer Internet Day to be the biggest and best yet. It's so important to recognize all the exciting and amazing things we can do online. Maybe you like to play games or chat with your friends. Maybe you use the internet to learn new things. Or maybe you love watching videos. What's your favorite things to do online? Though there are lots of incredible things to do online, the internet isn't perfect, and sometimes people use it in ways that are unkind or unsafe. Maybe you or your friends have seen things go wrong online. Safer Internet Day is a good chance to think about online issues and what we can all do to make the internet a safer place. There are lots of adults at home and at school who want to support you. If we know more about what you do online, we can give you the best help if things go wrong. That's why this year, the theme for Safer Internet Day is Want to Talk About It? Chatting with your friends about what you all enjoy doing online can be great fun and a lovely way to make your friendship stronger. You can have the same kind of conversations with the adults you know and trust too. Talk to your parents, carers, teachers, and any other adult who looks after you about your favorite things to do online, or share your top online safety tips to see what they think. The more we talk about the things we see and do online, the easier it is for us all to support each other. It also means that if something ever does go wrong, it's even easier to find someone to help. Who do you have in your life you could talk to about going online? Here at TISCL, part of our job is making sure you feel safe and happy in all parts of your life, including online. If you ever have a worry about something that's happened online, you can come to us teachers and counselors for help and advice. We'll always listen carefully and give you help or advice. Sometimes, if we're worried that you or somebody else might be in danger, we have to pass on what you've told us to a special member of staff. If we have to speak to them, it's not because you're in trouble, it's just because they have a special job of making sure every child here is safe. We will only pass on that information to the people who absolutely have to know to help keep you safe. So, this Safer Internet Day, we have a special challenge for everyone in this room. We challenge you to talk about it. Talk to your friends and family. Talk to the adults you know and trust. Tell them about the funny things you see online or your favorite game or app to use. Tell them about things online that bother you or the things that make you laugh out loud. Most importantly, tell an adult you know and trust if something is worrying you. It's never too late to share an online problem and get help and support that can make things better. Happy Safer Internet Day, everyone!